welcome back. This is part 2 of episode 3, First Fireups, Harvey Birdman, attorney at law. And we had just got a new profile. So I still don't know what the hell's going on, but
You do that one more time, honey, and I'm gonna bite you.
let's do that one more time.
Let's have a party, boys. Who's next?
Alright, check the inventory, nothing new. Oh, wait, why? Oh, okay. Return to game. Let's see if I can solve this case. Harvey Birdman, I recently
If it
got
seems
back
that the
together.
defendant is holding something back, try pressing.
Yeah, let's see what...
You've never admitted that to anyone before, and it's on record. Gigi, wife.
Not while I'm under oath, Harry.
Alright. Ooh, when I pulled up around midnight, I saw tiny fires on the porch. When
I
saw
would bet that
hippo
I could
standing
present
there-
something that contradicts this statement.
Let's press
No,
around that.
that's it? Nothing else?
No? Alright, yeah, let's check out the police report again. Fire started around 11 and burned for 2 hours. Okay, so she got there at midnight and saw tiny fires. So she's full of shit. Press. Don't
Nothing
really...
looks out of place here.
Oh, alright. Let's present her with the police report. That's what we got. Present.
But that's an hour after the police record says the fire started.
Ha!
Yeah, except that the clock in my car is set wrong because of daylight savings.
Ooh. Well, that's airtight. Let's see what happens if I press her on that one more
You're
time.
barking up the wrong tree, Birdman.
Alright, then I guess it's the matches. Present her with the matches.
This matchbook, found at the scene of the crime, my house.
Sure, looks like a matchbook to me.
Don't you find it strange that my client would put his own name and
Huh?
phone number on the very matches he used to burn my house and leave them there for all to find?
Not really. He was probably gonna give them to some intern.
Nah, I was gonna give them to Savannah over at Boobies.
Aha!
Ixnay on the axis, May.
No, I mean I was gonna give them to Savannah until I saw Gigi. I gave him to her at the weenie roast at your place, Birdman. She asked for him, and I, being a gentleman, obliged. Plus, so like I could ever use him, without thumbs and all.
So that does place Gigi at the scene of the crime with the book of matches. Wait, but why?
Bird girl to the rescue!
Wow.
I found a new piece of evidence. It's a cigarette lighter with the initials PP engraved on the side. I found it at your house, Birdman.
Oh, thanks for that evidence. That's great. For the other side...
A cigarette lighter with Mr. Pottermus's initials on it at the scene of the conflagration. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I believe that this is what we refer to as a smoking gun.
Or some people I know call it a lighter. Something here just doesn't make sense.
Evidence added. Continue. Alright, let's check this out. Fancy cigarette lighter with an ornate initials engraved on the side. The initials read PP. No audio. Alright. No, those don't really look too much like peas. What was up with this record? Alright, screw it. Return to the game. Or do we got any new profiles? No. Alright, what's fishy here? Those aren't his initials. My wife. Yeah, those aren't his initials.
But how do we know that PP stands for Peterpotamus? It could stand for P the Funkmaker, Phil Fedden, or maybe even, Hey, Peanut! What's your last name?
Those matches.
Wait just 1 second. Why would Gigi say she saw Potamus with a book of matches?
Would the witness please rephrase her testimony for the court?
I can change my testimony.
Uh-oh.
I pulled up in front of our place and saw Petey. Whatever. He was lighting a fire by the front door using that lighter. I drove off to get help from my precious husband, Harry.
Still don't know what those mean. Alright. She pulled up in front of our place and saw Petey. He was lighting a fire by the front door using that lighter. I drove off to get help from my precious husband. Huh. Lighting a fire. Let's press her on the precious husband.
Where did you drive for help?
I drove down the street and dialed 911 on my cell phone. I can't believe I processed incriminating evidence against Birdman's client. Now there's no way Birdman can win this case on his own. He needs me and the Bird team now more than ever. I will make up for this, but how? How? I know! 911! That's it! I'll get the recording, we'll find out her story doesn't check, and we'll save this case!
Yes!
With the burglar! This will do it, Birdman! I found new evidence which will convict Potamus for good! I mean Gigi.
Thanks, I think.
Alright. More evidence. So that's probably the 911 call?
Hey, there's like a duplex on fire.
Oh, okay. What is the address?
I'm not really sure, but it belongs to Birdman.
Okay, ma'am. Would that be a Henry or Harvey Birdman?
Oh, it's Harry.
Oh. Okay, well, according to our directory, there are no Harry Birdmans in the area. I'm sorry, is this Gigi?
Yeah.
Hi, it's me, Scott.
Hey, you. How you doing? I didn't know you were working tonight.
Yeah, only a few more hours. I'll see you later.
Yeah, you will.
What a skank. Alright, the official 911 call, it came in at 12:30 a.m. So, she's still full of shit. Let's go back and press her on when she pulled up.
I would beg to differ with this statement, but I think it sounds just fine.
Okay. Present the evidence.
This evidence says you made the call at 12:30 a.m. That's exactly an hour and a half after you said you saw Potamus setting the fire.
Well, here's what happened. I drove to the birdcage to see if you were there. You weren't, but there was this suspicious guy with an eye patch who I flirted with. I mean, watched for like an hour because I thought he had something to do with the fire. He didn't. Then I drove to Peanut's house to see if he was awake. He was. Or at least he was by the time I left. Oh. And that's when I called 911 to report the fire.
So you pretty much let my house burn down? All my stuff gone? My Bell Biv Devo collection? My coupons?
That thing I sent him?
That thing he sent me? Wait, what?
A prenuptial agreement between Harvey and Gigi saying she gets half of any insurance claim.
What?
That's motive.
Wait! There's the motive!
So, seeing as you don't keep track of things I send to you, I brought a copy with me.
Brilliant! Continue. Alright, and we're just about running out of time, so, thanks for watching, and be sure to come back for more exciting courtroom drama with Harvey Birdman, attorney at law. See ya.